In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge contacts in HubSpot. Merging contacts is a great way to simplify your database and ensure that all your information is streamlined and accurate. Whether you're dealing with duplicate entries or consolidating information from multiple sources, understanding how to merge contacts can significantly enhance your efficiency when managing your HubSpot CRM. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to log in or sign up for HubSpot. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you're new to HubSpot, sign up and get yourself acquainted with its interface. Once you're all set up and logged in, navigate to the contact record that you want to keep as your primary record. This is important because the primary contact is the one that HubSpot will retain as the main entry after the merge. So it's crucial to choose the record that holds the most comprehensive information. Once you're in the contact record, look for the Actions drop-down menu. This is typically located on the top right-hand side of the contact record page. Click on this drop-down menu and you'll see several options appear. From this list, select Merge. Choosing this option will initiate the process of merging the contacts. Upon selecting Merge, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to select the contact you wish to merge into the primary contact. This secondary contact is the one whose data will be consolidated into the primary contact. Remember, the details from this secondary contact will be combined with the primary contact's information, so make sure you've chosen the correct one. Now comes an important step, where you can review and choose which property values from the secondary contact you want to carry over to the merged record. HubSpot allows you to decide which details you want to keep, such as emails, phone numbers, or addresses, so that you have complete control over your data. Carefully assess what information is most relevant and beneficial for your records, ensuring that nothing essential gets lost during the merging process. Once you've reviewed and selected the desired property values, you're ready for the final step. Simply click on the Merge button to complete the process. HubSpot will take care of the rest, compiling all chosen information into the primary contact record. Congratulations! You've successfully merged your contacts, and your HubSpot database is that much more organized. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Merging contacts in HubSpot is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your workflow by keeping your contact list clean and precise. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy organizing, and see you next time.